Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The main industries, which is the backbone of the economy of the state, has been hurt. Government seems to be very silent on this. And I would like a reply from the Chief Minister that what efforts have been put in, because Goa's economy has been hurt very badly. Where it was an export-based economy, it has also hurt the Indian economy also to a certain extent, but it is minor, because compared to the rest of the country, and the export-based industry is there. But here, for a little Goa, which is half the size of a district, when we have this major industry which has come to a standstill, I would like to know what steps the government has taken and what is the present status. Are we going to go ahead or are we going to stop? I feel very sorry because I belong to that area. As I said earlier also, I see the trucks parked and rotting. You see, they are just out of work, the drivers and others. One truck can look after about 5-10 people, you know. The mechanics, the petrol pump, and all that. That has a lot of effect on the people. The economy of this area has been very badly hurt. People of Goa are very calm. They are not boisterous, they don't make noise, they suffer silently. Is the government going to allow this? I would like to ask the government, because this is something which is the major economy of the state, which has come to a standstill, and what efforts has our government done to put the economy on the rails? Whether any efforts, I didn't hear anything said. We cannot pass the buck by saying it's a central subject because it's a major mineral. This is not the way. It affects the local people, local workers, and it affects the whole economy of the state.
I belong to a mining sector. हांव एक ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आनी आमचे जशी परिस्थिती आयिल्ली आसा ती सगळेच गोंयकारांचेर आयिल्ली आसा. अबाउट 2 to 3 lakhs population is dependent on mining activities from since 2012. We do not have any activity. We म्हणल्यार हांव म्हणटा की मायनींग डिपेंडंट लोक आसा तांकां मे बी ट्रक ओनर्स आसतले, बार्ज ओनर आसतले, मशिनरी ओनर्स आसतले, एक्सकवेशन कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसतले, ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसतले आनी कॅस्केडिंग इफेक्ट्स जावपी शॉप्स, गॅरेजीस, सगळी जी इकॉनॉमी आसा ती सगळी ताजेर डिपेंडंट आसा.